the is-mazing results.
Is mazing? I mean, it doesn't really... Hey, my clothes are dry, but my hair went kind of wild.
But you're dry thanks to the instant drying machine.
And where did all the water go?
It disappeared.
Actually, it evaporated. Nice job. I'm Dr. Jeff Inneker, and today we'll explore the science of the water cycle. Today, we'll learn about water and how it evaporates, how it condenses into droplets to form clouds, and how it falls back to Earth and the process repeats. It's called the water cycle. Welcome to Labracazam, where we make science make sense.
Are you gonna keep your hair like that all day, Zoe?
Nope. How's that?
Impressive.
So, where did all the water go?
The short answer is science.
The short answer is Sci. That's short for science.
Noted. We know where the water came from. It rained. But now let's find out where it ended up. Izzy's instant drying machine uses heat and moving air to evaporate water from your clothes. Evaporate means to turn a liquid into a gas. Let's look at how evaporation works. Here we have a set of 3 black metal sheets. They're going to help us understand evaporation. Zoe, can you spray the same amount of water onto each one, please? Perfect. This first one we're going to leave at room temperature. The second one we're going to heat with this heat lamp like a warm day.
Warm day coming up.
And the third one we're going to put the lamp on high power like a really, really hot day.
Really, really hot day coming up. The sheet with the higher temperature evaporated faster.
That's right.
This is why I put heaters in my drying machine.
I get it. The heat from the lamp makes the water turn from a liquid to a gas faster.
Exactly. Water in the gas form is called water vapor. Usually it's invisible, but I have a very interesting way to prove to you it's there. Let's break it down. Don't try this at home. I put water into the bottom of this steel barrel. That water is now boiling and it's turning into a gas called water vapor. That water vapor is filling up the whole container, and because the top is open, it's displacing all of the air inside. Next, we're gonna cap it off and cool it back down. This could be dangerous, so we're gonna need some ear protection. Awesome. Okay, Zoe, you know what to do? Go ahead and turn off the heat. All right, Izzy, please give me a hand so we can put this into the ice. Let's watch what happens. That was awesome!
Wow, that was amazing!
I think you mean is mazing.
The particles got closer and closer together as they turned from a gas into a liquid, and that made this barrel crush. When you pour a glass of ice-cold water, did you ever wonder why there's droplets that form on the outside of the glass?
I always figured it was because glasses don't wear deodorant.
Interesting theory, but it's actually condensation. Condensation is when a gas turns into a liquid. In this case, there's water vapor, which is a gas all around us in the air, and it's turning into a liquid and forming.
I hope that you were paying attention. Yeah, you better be paying attention. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
To me?
Forward. So this evidence shows that the droplets are made from the air surrounding the mug. When water vapor in the air cools, it turns into water droplets. You can see it even better if I make a cloud.
You can make a cloud?
Yeah.
I could barely make a grilled cheese sandwich.
Bert, bring in the cloud machine.
And you meet me in the safety zone. I found your foot pump, Dr. Jeff.
Awesome. Now we can make a cloud. This is a regular soda bottle, and in here you can see water. I'm moving it like this so I can cover all the sides with water. Then I pour it out over here. Perfect. Now we're gonna pump air inside here and pressurize it. Izzy, go ahead and help me out.
You got it, Dr. Jeff.
Perfect. Now, take the bottle. Everyone has the exact same thing. It's got water vapor and it's pressurized. Let's release the pressure on 3. 1, 2, 3. Now that's a cloud. When the air from inside this bottle is released very quickly, it cools down. That makes the water vapor condense into tiny water droplets.
Just like what happens in clouds.
Labracazam. Let's take a deeper look at how evaporation and condensation work together. Question: how old would you say this water is?
A couple of days?
I don't know, a couple weeks?
Actually, that water is millions of years old. In fact, most of the Earth's water has been around for millions of years because it's part of what we call the water cycle.
You mean I just been drinking some old...
Messed up, right?
Oceans and on land too. The water evaporates and becomes water vapor in the air.
As it starts rising up in the atmosphere, some of it condenses onto the ground as dew. Some of it condenses close to the earth to form fog. But most of it rises up high in the atmosphere where it condenses into clouds.
Finally, tiny water drops grow bigger until they get so big that they fall back to the earth as precipitation, rain, snow, or hail. The cycle is constantly happening every day for millions of years.